Here in this video we will show you how can I disable a PHP function in my respective PHP version from your WHM root. If you would like to block or disable any PHP function to be used in a particular PHP version, then in that case, first of all log into your WHM root and then go to software section. Now from here, go inside multi-PHP INI editor. Switch to editor mode and then select the PHP version into which you would like to block that PHP function. Now we need to press Ctrl F and then search for disable_functions. After searching for this keyword, you will find disable_functions is equal to double inverted quotes. You simply need to specify correct PHP function over here. Whatever PHP function you specify here will be blocked in your whole WHM root server. But make sure this will only happen for this particular PHP version. Now if you go to any particular cPanel user and you have written a PHP code which has a specific PHP function, for example, here we have find.php. We have written following code where we have used shell_excc function. Now let us test this code. If we run this code from outside by hitting find.php, you will find that this code is working successfully and also giving the output. This means shell_excc PHP version is working well. Now let us block or disable this function from here. Simply write shell_excc inside inverted quotes. Now finally click over Save. In this way, this PHP function is blocked for PHP 7.3 version. Now considering that specific cPanel user that he was using 7.3 PHP version, then in that case, if you hit this file once again from outside, you will find blank page. This will also generate error log. This means respective PHP version is now blocked successfully. Please subscribe to our channel if you have still not subscribed. If you are looking for a reliable cPanel based web hosting services, then redserverhost.com is the best option for you.